Welcome to ZaranTech. This training on the performance review business process in Workday. I'll be walking you through the key steps and configuration options for setting up an effective performance review process. This training is copyright ZaranTech LLC 2023. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only. Users are responsible for complying with copyright laws. No part of this document may be reproduced without permission. Credits should be given for images from open sources. In this training, we'll cover the key elements of the performance review business process. First, the actions that need to be performed. Second, the order they must be done in. Third, who is responsible for each action. And fourth, the deadlines for completing each action. We'll focus primarily on the configuration of the performance review itself. The options are similar across other review types like goals, development plans, and corrective action. So you can apply what you learn here to those other processes too. The business process defines who does what and when. Key elements are the people involved, the review tasks they need to complete, and the schedule or deadlines. The business process has columns that define each step, who is involved, the task assigned, and the timeline. The business process name identifies the overall process. The step column lists the specific tasks that need to be completed to finish the process. The slide shows the business process steps. The business process may include both main steps as well as subprocesses that have their own steps. A special security role called manager for majority of event can be used to handle routing of the review to the manager who supervised the employee the longest during the review period. For example, if an employee had two managers during the review period, using the manager for majority role assigns tasks to the manager who supervised the employee the majority of the time. Initiate is always the first step. It starts the review process. Employees can only have one in-progress review for a date range. The set content step allows managers and employees to add or update the goals, competencies, and other content that will be part of the review. This aligns the review to the employee's job and goals for the period. The self-evaluation step is where the employee completes a self-assessment of their performance and competencies for the review period. Adding acknowledgement steps allows the manager and employee to confirm they have discussed the review content and ratings. This serves as an electronic signature. Acknowledgement steps utilize review status fields configured at the tenant level to capture the agreement status. The get additional reviewers or multi-rater step allows others to rate an employee's competencies and provide comments. This data feeds into the overall performance review. The manager and/or employee can select additional reviewers who will then receive a task to complete the ratings. Additional managers can provide ratings and comments in the review process. Managers can view each other's input. The get feedback step allows the manager or employee to request comments from other employees to incorporate into the performance review. In the complete manager evaluation step, additional sub-steps can be added for the manager and employee to review comments and ratings. This allows the manager and employee to acknowledge the completed review, like an electronic signature. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on Workday.